Hey, how's it going, guys? If you're watching this on the day that it came out, Merry Christmas. I'm planning on posting this on Christmas, so yeah, there's a bunch of people getting ukuleles this year for Christmas, and they're gonna start their ukulele journey. So I'm gonna do this little video of kind of what are the first things that you should do once you get a ukulele. Everybody's new, you know? All right, so let's just get right into it. So the first thing I would say, examine your new beautiful instrument. Make sure that all your strings are tuned to G, C, E, A. Most little ukulele bundles will come with this little tuner, and then you can tune every string to the according key that you're trying to get to. But as you can see, mine was a little off on the second one. But once it turns green, that's when you know it's in the right spot. I can make a video of how to tune your ukulele if you guys want more information on that. But yeah, make sure it's on G, C, E, A. And the first thing I would say is kind of just get used to what is the most comfortable way for you to hold your ukulele. Some people like having a strap on it so they don't have to hold it. You can kind of lean it on your leg like a guitar and just like rest your forearm on it to play. Or you can even hold it up against your body with your forearm and play it. Another thing is if you want to hold it like this or if you want to hold it like that, but whatever feels more comfortable for you. Just try to get used to holding your new instrument. I guess we'll kind of make this like the first lesson since you just got your new ukulele. You want to learn how to do some stuff. So I'll just show you guys what I usually show like friends and family when they say they want to learn how to play ukulele. So obviously the first thing is make sure it's tuned G, C, E, A, and it'll sound beautiful just like that. And believe it or not, this is actually a chord and you're not even pressing any strings down. There's your first chord. You already learned one. Now the actual first chord that I usually teach people is a C, because this is used in almost every song, which is just one finger on the bottom string, 3rd fret. I also forgot to mention this. If you guys haven't actually learned ukulele songs, you don't really know how to read the charts. The chart is like if you're looking at your ukulele like this. So if your ukulele is like this, just hold it up, and that is what the chart looks like. So for instance, the C looks like this with your bottom finger on the bottom string 3rd fret, and then you turn it this way, and that's what the chart looks like. Just in case you guys weren't sure how to read those chord charts when you're watching tutorials. I usually prefer to play it with my ring finger because once you start playing other chords, it's easier to move to them from this one. So get used to pressing this down and making sure it rings out. If it sounds like this, you're pressing too soft. You gotta press it nice and firm so it rings all the way through. And make sure when you press your chords, you press it in here and close to the bar, the little fret right there. Try to get it inside here and close to that fret. If you play on the fret, it's gonna ring like that. Nobody likes that. Play it in here and make sure it rings out. And that's a C. And also, if you wanna know, hey, I don't know how to strum, how are you doing that? I'm literally just running my finger, my thumb, all the way down. And that's how we'll start most of these ukulele songs. As a beginner, you just strum down over and over again because getting the down and up is a little bit hard. But if you want to try, so you can practice it, I prefer to pretend that I'm holding a guitar pick, so I'll pinch my fingers together like that. So when I go down, it's hitting the top of my nail to go down, and then when I go up, I kind of turn my wrist this way, so it hits the top of my thumbnail. So I can go down, up. But some people prefer to use their pointer finger, so you go down with the nail and up with just the bottom of your finger, so down, up. And you can do the same thing with your thumb. So down with the skin, up with the nail. So whatever's more comfortable for you, practice strumming down and up, or down, up, just get used to that, and then once you start learning more songs, you'll learn more strumming patterns. But yeah, remember to press hard, not too hard to hurt your fingers, but not too soft to where it does that. And we'll go ahead and learn one more chord because why not? Actually, let's learn two more. There's two pretty simple ones in here. So C was the first one. Now let's learn A minor. Another just one string pressed down. It is this top one on the 2nd fret. That is A minor. Press this with your middle finger and then add your finger to the 3rd string 1st fret, and that's an F. So just like that, now you know C, A minor, and F. And you can already, if you want to like make your own songs, you can make a song with just those 3 chords. Say we'll go A minor, and then F, and then C. And those are all 3 very simple, easy chords that you can do when you first get your ukulele and you're just trying to get used to strumming and pressing chords down. That's a little just intro video, kind of show you guys what to expect and kind of things you can do to practice playing your ukulele since this is your first time having it. I wish you luck. If you want any tutorials or any more tips, or if you want me to actually do like how to play ukulele videos, I can try to do that and make a little playlist or a little like class course on here and show you guys how to play ukulele with at least the knowledge that I know, because I am not a professional and I am not a teacher, but you know, maybe one day. So you guys go enjoy your ukuleles, practice your strumming, practice pressing down on the chords and getting everything to sound nice. Merry Christmas.
A creature with 2 heads, sleeping in 2 beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?